Myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about how we are going to give advertise and what is the meaning of advertising. The important part is given here. Advertising, it's a very important and necessary part of our marketing. With the help of advertisement, we can able to give away to each and every product in the market. With the help of that, the goods and services are getting good direction with the help of advertisement. Advertisement is a very important and necessary way to promote any goods and services in the market in very easiest way. Otherwise, in the short term, बहुत कम समय में आसानी से हम किसी भी सामान को बाजार में लॉन्च कर सकते हैं एडवर्टाइज के माध्यम से. एडवर्टाइज इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट for each and every company, goods and product services. A lot of things are here, but advertisement is a necessary for each and everyone. Without advertisement, we can't able to know more and more goods and services, what the quality services products are running in the market. That's why we are reading this topic here. Now we have to come on the topic, what is that advertisement and advertising. So in front of you, very short note is written. With the help of that, we can able to classify about the advertisement. Advertisement can be defined as the, once again come, advertisement can be defined as the paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor. With the help of that, we can say we are promoting our ideas, goods and services with the help of advertisement. Advertisement is a very important part. With the help of that, we can able to give non-personal presentation. It's not a personal presentation. Non-personal means it is a working for each and everyone. Full India can able to see this advertisement. It's not my personal advertisement. It is made for you all to know each and every variety, quality, quantity of the goods and services. That's why we are representing advertisement in front of you. Once again listen, advertisement can be defined as the paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of idea, goods or services by an identified sponsor. With the help of that, we can say the sponsor is an important part. Sponsor is providing goods and services to each and everyone. Sponsor is the important part. After that, we have to come and discuss what is the feature of advertisement. In front of you, here few topics are written. These are the features of advertisement. First one is given. Reach, second choice, and third one is given here, legitimacy and expensiveness, economy and satisfaction. With the help of 6 topics, we can able to know what is the features of advertisement, why advertisements are important part in our daily life. So first we are going to know, with the help of reach, we can able to explain each and every market. We can say advertisement can reach a large market. With the help of advertisement, our particular goods and services can reach in the high level market, big market, in big society, and we can say in the large market. आसानी से हम छोटे शब्दों में कह सकते हैं, प्रचार प्रसार के माध्यम से हमारा सर्विस, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज किसी भी सामान को बाजार में आसानी से नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे पहुंचा सकते हैं. इसीलिए प्रचार प्रसार कंपलसरी है, अनिवार्य हो गया है इस समय। प्रचार किसी भी पार्टिकुलर गुड्स और सर्विसेज का होता है तो वो किसी भी पोजीशन पे पहुंचाया जा सकता है। नंबर 1 आल्सो, अगर किसी भी गुड्स और सर्विस का प्रचार प्रसार नहीं होता है तो बहुत से लोग उसे जान ही नहीं पाते हैं। On TV nowadays you are watching advertisement with the help of actor, actress, modern, a lot of people are there. As a cricketer, sport player, they are coming in front of you and they are advertising. With the help of their advertise, the particular goods and services are reaching from each and every market. Second one is a choice. Our choice is also important part. With the help of that, we can able to know about our features or advertisement. We can able to send our advertisement with the help of our choice. Suppose with the help of TV, newspaper, magazine, radio, other always are here in that things. With the help of that, we can able to send our advertisement with the help of our choice. पहले हम चुनाव कर सकते हैं कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट किस माध्यम से करें, तो हमारे पास अनेक माध्यम हैं, टीवी, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, a lot of things are there, banner. With the help of that we can able to check our choice. Next one, the maintenance. With the help of that we can say the policy of the customers. According to that we are making these types of goods and services in the market. According to the choice of customers, we are providing these types of advertisement. This is the important part. Next one is a given expensiveness. It is a very expensive. Lot of cost we are going to pay in the advertisement. Who is the sponsor? He is taking lot of money and he is expending lot of amount of the goods and services. With the help of that, we are getting one advertisement in the help of these all things. With the help of advertisement, we are paying a lot of goods and services in the market. Next one is a given economy. With the help of that, our economical changes are going to be changed. We can say advertisement increase the cost of product and services. When we are doing, otherwise we are giving advertisement of the particular goods and services, that cost will also increase because we are paying lot of amount in the advertisement. हम प्रचार प्रसार में खर्चा करते हैं, इसलिए वो पार्टिकुलर सामान महंगा ही होगा because we are paying lot of services and that advertisement is a very expensive. That expense we have to add in the profit and our money will increase day to day and we have to get more and more price and that price only customer have to pay. Next one is a given satisfaction. With the help of advertisement we are getting personal satisfaction. What is the quality? Each and every quality, every goods and services, each and everything we are providing with the help of advertisement. When we are watching advertisement, or that time we are getting lot of satisfaction. When we are utilizing that product in our daily life. So satisfaction is a very important part. When customers feel assume about the quantity and feel more about that, we can say when we are feeling comfortable about that particular goods and services, on that time we can say it is a important part of advertisement and we are getting satisfaction also. So now once again you have to listen what is the meaning of advertisement. Advertisement means written here. It is a paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of idea, goods or services by an identified sponsor. This is the definition and a small meaning in front of you. After that, features of advertisement is given here. Some features are given in front of you. With the help of that, we can able to explain what is the features of advertisement. First one is the reach, second choice, next remittancy, next one expansiveness, next economy, and last one is the given satisfaction. With the help of that, we are getting more and more satisfaction with the help of our features of advertisement. So now dear students, with the help of that, you have to make your notes and complete your syllabus with the help of these all things. Now subscribe my channel and share this whole video to your friends and complete your notebook. And you have given me your special time for this lecture. Thank you all. Thank you.